Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by OptionsClick.
Hello and welcome to our look at the upcoming September 25th trading session. In front of you I have the economic calendar, and as you can see, quite a lack of announcements for the 25th, with the exception of one that could move the markets. That is the final GDP quarter over quarter out of the United States. That, of course, will have people focused on the US dollar and naturally the US stock markets. You can see that the S&P 500 is testing pretty serious support, and we think 1900 is a bit of a line in the sand for the buyers. If we can get a supportive candle somewhere between here and there, we think that call buying opportunities should present themselves. However, the GDP number will be highly influential as to whether or not that happens, so keep that in mind. Gold markets have absolutely checked out during this session on Thursday, but we do have a bit of an area here at 1160 that we would have to get over for a longer term move. Because of this, we're waiting to see if we get short-term pullbacks. That way we can buy short-term calls. Right now, this market looks a little too excited to the upside to consider buying puts. You can see the dollar-yen fell during the session, but really, you can make a case that we are still very much in a bit of a triangle. So if that's the case, we would anticipate a bounce from here and be call buyers as long as we can stay above maybe 119, that is. We recognize that the GDP number will have a massive influence on this market. So if it's better than anticipated, the higher it is, the higher this currency pair should go, and therefore we'd be call buyers naturally. Below 119, though, at that point in time, we would not be buyers of puts. There's a lot of noise just below, but we would step to the sidelines. With that, we've taken a look at September 25th.
This review was brought to you by OptionsClick, the most trusted binary options broker.